How do you keep tenants happy while saving your property manager time? Most agencies request information via form. While this meets all the legal processes and requirements, having to download, print, complete, and then scan and email you the form is time consuming. You're depending on the tenant to provide all the required information, but not making it easy for them to send you useful information like photos. This often results in the property management staff playing phone tag to simply understand the issue. The wasted time adds to the property manager's workload, and in turn, this reduces the service quality expected by all parties, ultimately costing your agency money. Luckily, Paper to Apps have developed an app that allows tenants to report issues from your website, Facebook page, or their own phone via your customised mobile app. Tenants will love it because it's easy to use. Property managers will love it because they receive detailed information and photos, and we can send maintenance requests directly to your property manager, tradies, or integrate with your existing systems. All this from a very affordable $1.65 per day.